Milwaukee Tool has just announced the fastest drilling and hardest hitting rotary hammer in its class. They made a second announcement that will not only make you more effective on the job site, it'll make your career in construction longer and it'll give you an overall better quality of life. The bar has been raised by Milwaukee Tool with these two new tools, and it's all coming right up after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Head on over to the merch store if you want to help out with the channel. You can get hats, hoodies, t-shirts, stickers. Link will be down below. Welcome back, everybody. If this is your first time here, my name is Vince. Welcome to you especially. First up, we have the new Gen 2 M18 FUEL 1.1" SDS Plus Rotary Hammer with 1 key. It's the fastest drilling, hardest hitting hammer in its class with over 20% faster drilling. True to all M18 FUEL solutions, the new M18 FUEL 1.1" SDS Rotary Plus Hammer with 1 key combines 3 exclusive innovations: the Power State brushless motor, red lithium battery pack, and Red Link Plus intelligence. It's like the three amigos. The motor delivers 3.6 foot-pounds of impact energy, 800 RPM, and 4,600 blows per minute to provide speed and power in the most demanding job site applications. When paired with an M18 red lithium high output XC 6.0 battery pack, the hammer can drill up to 50 5/8 by 3-inch holes per charge. To enhance safety, and this is the most important part for a lot of you and especially me, because I'm not a spring chicken anymore, the second generation hammer delivers maximum control with auto stop kickback control to prevent over rotation in case the tool binds up when drilling into rebar or hard aggregate. Additionally, an AVS anti-vibration system minimizes vibration for maximum comfort. Those safety features included in the Gen 2 rotary hammer help prevent injury by helping keep you from going for a ride in a bind-up situation. And the anti-vibration technology will help with fatigue and debilitating injury like carpal tunnel, which means you'll have a longer career in the trades, which means you'll be able to work longer in the trades and provide more for your family, for your loved ones. The second new tool works in conjunction with the new M18 rotary hammer. It's the next generation M18 FUEL Hammer Vac 1.1" dedicated dust extractor that features auto pulse filter cleaning systems. And it's the only onboard dedicated dust extractor solution with an automatic filter cleaner to deliver OSHA Table 1 compliance. Whoa. It has a switchable depth stop and translucent dust box, which provides clear visibility to read the dust level. This is the only dedicated dust extractor on the market with an integrated solution that allows users to empty the dust by attaching a vacuum for dust removal instead of dumping it out, limiting users' overall exposure to silica. I mean, you don't have to go through the routine of trying to keep particulate out of the air only to take out that HEPA filter and bang it inside the trash can, bang it inside of a trash bag, throw it around out back so the dust blows into the wind, which means you'll have a better quality of life over time and a longer career in the trades. And if you like having a longer career in the trades so you can earn more money to provide for your family, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do. It's not like smashing a mirror anywhere else on the planet. You'll get 7 years of good luck. I guarantee it. The M18 1.1" SDS Plus Rotary Hammer with 1 key kit, product number 2915-22, has an MSRP of $699. It's also going to be available as a bare tool for $449. And you can get the M18 FUEL 1.1" SDS Plus Rotary Hammer with 1 key with dedicated dust extractor Product number 2915-22DE, which stands for Dust Extraction, with an MSRP of $799. Launch date is winter 2021, which means that's when it'll be available, hopefully.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here in the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.